Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how to make beautiful woolen flower with just wool and beads. First, wrap the wool around your finger for 15 times. Then attach needle and sew around to secure the design on your finger. Please watch closely as I do all of that. At this point, pass the needle right at the middle of the woolen design and attach 3 beads right inside. Once you're done with that, make the little designs 5 pieces and join them together to make beautiful woolen flower. Now, attach a medium-sized bead at the middle to make the flower beautiful and seamless. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, and I see you all in my next one.